arrived in I've arrived in Santa Barbara. I'll tell you more. I am so tired though, and I'm in desperate need of food. So let's do that first. This is home for the next 4 days or so. I know there are some people in the world who love the 2-bed situation because one can be for like wearing clothes, sitting, but for some reason it freaks me out. It makes it feel empty, like I'm alone. So anyway, I'm gonna lay in my clothes on the bed that I will not be sleeping in. It's 3 o'clock. Oh my gosh, I have to tell you why I'm here. I'm not in the headspace to do that right now. I'm just so tired from travel. So I'm gonna rest for a little bit and then freshen up. Maybe we'll go get Din Din a little later, and I'll tell you why I'm here in Carpinteria, California, outside of Santa Barbara. Quick little CVS haul with this like giant, the bag's so big it knocked the camera over. Okay, I got like 2 giant Evians. Sorry my face isn't in this shot, but they're giant. I got these cute little vegan healthy bites just to keep around the hotel room. Some Advil just in case. I always forget something, and this time it was deodorant, so need that. And another healthier snack, some nuts. This is like almost open. Who tried to open these nuts? What the heck? It's becoming a bit of a joke that every time I come to California, I am in the gloomiest room. It's a gloomy day. I like bring the gloom to Southern California, apparently. I'm in Carpinteria, and I am here for actually a really big career moment for me. I am shooting a LinkedIn learning course this week. So I'm here, today is Tuesday, and I will be here until Friday, very, very early morning Friday. No, Saturday actually, very, very early Saturday. So this is like my new home for a week, basically, a few days. The LinkedIn thing is definitely a big career moment for me because LinkedIn is like how I started my career. I always tell the story. My first Upwork job, it was actually posted on LinkedIn. So that's how I applied to my first freelancing gig. I saw it on LinkedIn. And then when I worked in corporate, I did a lot of work with LinkedIn. I worked at a staffing company. So we constantly, we're running LinkedIn ads. We had like our own LinkedIn reps who would come to visit us in Detroit and things like that. And so, yeah, it definitely feels like a big moment to be going to their production studio, flying out to do that and having my own LinkedIn learning course. So I don't know. I don't like normally say like I'm proud of myself, but I'm proud of myself. It is supposed to be releasing in January. So I will, of course, let you all know when it's live. I don't want to tell you too much about what it's about, but it's about something that I don't really have content on. So it's more in like the content creation space than anything. So if you're a content creator or you're wanting to create content for your brand, I think you'll really like this LinkedIn learning course. That's my night. Tomorrow will be more exciting, I hope. I'll talk to you then, I think. Good morning. I have been up for a couple hours. It's 8:15 right now. I got up around 6. I slept so good last night. I slept so long last night. I'm just getting ready to go into the office. I'm gonna leave here in about 30 minutes, so time to put on the face. This is what I'm wearing. I'm bringing like 3 different outfits though. I feel like this is pretty casual, just gonna wear my Vans with it and keeping it super cash today. But I also have some more professional looking, like I have a skirt tights combo that I think will be cute with this shirt and some other tops, but let me get ready so I'm not late to my first day at the office. Let's go. I'm so scared. I'm nervous. It is so humid. Woo. Just had lunch and I'm in my little cube again. I'm the instructor. He is my producer, is off at a meeting. So taking a minute to say hey to you and show you how the sausage is made. Basically, it's just me sitting at this giant computer and recording into this cool headset. Okay, LinkedIn literally just saved this vlog, I think. Yeah, I decided to not bring my vlog camera this trip and just vlog on my phone, and I'm not good at it, so I apologize if the quality is not what you were expecting. So how did day one go? Well, first of all, they gave me a little swag bag, which is very nice, with this little tripod, which is definitely helping. It was a long day of talking and screen sharing, but it was good. I mean, I got like 9 of my videos done of the screen shares. So I think I have 4 more to do tomorrow. And then I have to do the face to camera, like the series intro, and then intros for each of the videos, just like 1 minute, like, hey, here's the tool I'm showing you. Here's why you need to know about it, stuff like that. So should be doable. Yeah, it was weird being back on a campus. Like, I haven't been an employee somewhere. I'm not an employee of LinkedIn, just to clarify, but I haven't been in like a corporate environment in so long. This definitely felt corporate. It's very cool. Like, LinkedIn is so cool. If I ever wanted to get a corporate job again, yeah, I would probably want to work there because it's a beautiful campus. I mean, I guess it was just a cafeteria lunch, you know, but it felt, what's the word for it? Like cuisine. They have snacks, they have drinks, La Croix, and fun drinks like that. And I mean, I don't know. I just feel like I would go in to work early every day for breakfast. I would stay late to have snacks before dinner. I get how that's a good employee perk. I went to the most amazing vegan restaurant. I finally went into downtown Santa Barbara. I haven't been there yet since I've been here, and it was very cute. It's all like Spanish style architecture. I wish I could have vlogged more of it for you, but it was getting dark and, you know, I was just trying to like mind my, you know, new surroundings. I don't know what people are like around here, so I didn't want to be like, hi, I'm pretty tinkered out. Tinkled out? Tuckered out, not tinkled out. What the heck? Day 2, just wrapped all of my screen recordings. We're probably gonna do some reshoots, but I think we're gonna get into the live action stuff today, which is very exciting for me. And just admiring this view on beautiful LinkedIn's campus. I mean, how nice is this? Obsessed. It looks like it's like not even real. It kind of looks like it's like a Zoom background, doesn't it? So nice. So the campus is like a bunch of different buildings. I'm going from the studio to like the main place where I checked in. This is where the main cafeteria is. Gonna grab some lunch. It's so dark in here in my little pod. It's about 4 p.m. I think. I'm about to get out of here, but I just realized everybody is not here. It's completely empty, so I'm going to use this time to show you around the campus a little bit, or the recording studio section of LinkedIn's headquarters.
So this is the booth cam area. I was in booth 4. I sat over there, and then on the other side was where my producer sat. And then this is like the just kind of common area, the kitchenette area. Super fun. And like, I know I've showed you the view a million times, but it's just really nice. The kitchen's stocked with snacks and all of that stuff. And then here's what you see when you walk into the building. That's my name.
Home from work. I am tired. It was a long one, and you guys can judge me if you want. First of all, it looks like I have a dismembered head that's just like laying on the bed. It's attached. I have a neck. You guys can judge me if you want, but I'm wearing my shirt again. Honestly, I don't want to wear anything else. It smells completely clean. Whatever. Today was a long day. We got at least everything shot once. Tomorrow we're going to go in a little bit later at 10. And my producer said we'll have a short day because it'll just be for anything that we want to reshoot. So I went through all the files myself, made notes on anything that I wanted to reshoot, things I wasn't super happy with, and I'm hoping to not have to redo any of the face to camera because I really don't want to get ready again and all that stuff. But anyway, it was a long day. I found this bougie little vegan restaurant in Santa Barbara. I guess it's close to Montecito, which is like a very bougie area. I guess Oprah owns a home there, Natalie Portman owns a home there, and it looks like a bougie little restaurant. So I am gonna give that a shot. It's all vegan. You all know. Oh my gosh. If you know, you know that every time I come to California, I feel overdressed. But since I'm gonna go to a bougie area, let me know what you guys think of my outfit. I'll let you know if I end up being overdressed. Hopefully people aren't just wearing Vans. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I just like to dress up. I didn't realize how much in Detroit we like to dress compared to California. So I'll show you my outfit. It's basically what I wore yesterday, just with a pair of like heeled booties. It's only 5 o'clock, but you know what? It gets dark at 6 p.m. And you know, being like a small woman, I don't like to be out by myself after dark. So it's just been early dinners for me. And I'm fine with it, honestly. I actually love to eat dinner at like 5 p.m. Let me know, what is your preferred dinner time? Let me know in the comments. Very curious. It gives kind of 90s, right? With like the wide jeans and some little boots. I don't know. We'll see if, like I said, I'm overdressed or not, but I feel good in it. I feel good. And that's a wrap. My LinkedIn learning course has officially been shot. We'll see, you know, what the feedback is on it, if I have to do any reshoots or anything. Luckily, I think most of it can be done from home if I need to re-record any audio or anything. I used a new hairspray this week because I got, you know, like a travel size one, and it is flaky and disgusting. There's like chunks of things in my hair, so I really hope those didn't show up on video. But I'm all set, and it's only about noon right now, so I have all day to explore. I don't really feel like I'm in an exploring mood though, is the problem. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have an early night because my flight leaves at 5:15 actually, which means that I need to wake up at like 2:30 to get to the airport at 3. So gonna be kind of a weird night. So yeah, let's make the most of the day and try to get myself a little tired out. I'm definitely not gonna have any more coffee today so that I can hopefully go to bed around like 8 p.m. These are regular glasses. I need sunglasses. Let's see what we can get into today. All right, fun little day in Santa Barb's. People call it that. It's got a little hot. I'm gonna take this off. I came here to see the chromatic arch, I think it's called, which is like this little art installation. It's an arch and it's rainbow colored. It's pretty cool. I didn't take any pictures in front of it or anything. Just inspiration didn't really strike, but I'll put it up here so you all can see it. And I think it's around 1:30 or 2. So I'm gonna go back to my hotel for a few hours, just relax, pack up my suitcase, rest for a little bit, but not sleep because I wanna be able to go sleep at like 8. And yeah, just hang out for a little bit. I actually have some things I wanna tell you about work-wise when we get to the hotel, even though the lighting is terrible in there, but I'll tell you more of that. Okay, so I wanted to give you a little work update because I have been working throughout this whole trip. It's always like, it's weirdly reassuring going away, like getting away from the office. I feel like I'm always left with like this sense of relief, realizing that I don't actually have to be as plugged into my business as I normally am. Like business still goes on. I'm able to do so much just on the go. So this week I've been working, actually, let me pull up my to-do list and tell you what I did. I have another client, a big client that I'm going to tell you about in a future vlog. It'll probably be my next vlog. I'm doing some content partnership stuff with them. So I had to send an outline to a video. I actually wrote that on the plane and sent that over to them. I did a Freelance Friday club survey. So my membership group, FFC, or the Freelance Friday Club, I like to survey them every year just to ask like what people want more of and things like that. So I built that out in Google Forms. I posted it in the group and sent a notification to everyone. What else? Getting my podcast ready, which went out today, Friday. And CJ Thomas, she taught an email marketing challenge. I wasn't able to join the last call, which was on Tuesday. That was the day that I flew in, but I got the replay ready, sent her a thank you email, like made sure she felt good to run that by herself. And lastly, and like very excitingly, I don't know if that's a word, my mom and I have been working on a project together. So we have the bracelets that we've been working on, which are so cute. I have them with me, but I'm not wearing them today. But those are still available. I'll link her Etsy if anyone wants to check them out. I absolutely love those. But this is even, to me, more exciting because it's something that I've been wanting to do for so long. We made a coloring book together. So I had this idea of, it's called Unplugged. It's called Unplugged. That's the title of it, because I've been very much on this journey of like unplugging this year, and just life is not so serious. Life is not all about work. Like I've really been trying to get better about that, unplugging from social media a little bit more. And so I got this idea of like, you know, doing all these different scenes, you know, camping scenes, nature scenes, fun, like holiday vibes, just like all kinds of things that make me happier, that would make a person happy. It's not all about me. It was really important for us to make these really diverse, like different types of people, you know, families, people with kids, older people, younger people, women, men, everybody. So it's really cool. My mom like absolutely crushed the concept. She's an artist, so she hand drew all of these sketches or drawings that you can color in. So that's one side of the spread. And then the other side of the spread I designed, you know, I'm not a designer, but like whatever, I made some cute little typography, and you can color those words in as well. And then the idea is like, if I thought they would be cute to cut out and like put on your office wall or something, the typography or the pictures if you like them. But yeah, it was definitely like a passion project. I formatted this all by myself. I do have a journal that I published before, like last year. It's called the Coaching Journal. And I actually hired a designer to format that book for me and everything. I loved working with her, but I did this all by myself. And I'm actually shocked that I did it. It took me a while to get the cover like formatted and sized correctly. So I was working on this over in bed a couple nights and got it submitted, and I'm just so excited. I'm so proud of my mom. My mom is such a brilliant artist, and it's just so cool that she's able to share her art in this way, and hopefully some of you will check it out. I think this would make an amazing stocking stuffer, gift, client gift. Like it's all, you know, client appropriate, business appropriate. But yeah, definitely just encourages people to unplug a little bit. So I really hope you enjoy it. Let's clean up, shall we? Cleanup song complete. Do you guys remember that from elementary school? Clean up, clean up. I'm pretty much packed up, so it's 3:45. I'm getting really tired, which I think is a good thing because I really want to go to sleep around 8 o'clock. Don't know if that's really gonna happen, but I think I'm gonna go to dinner. I'm not extremely hungry, but I know I should eat.
If you can do something every day to help somebody, I think we'll all have a better world. And I love you guys, and thank you so much for being here, okay?